Hey guys, Ben here, coming at you with another video from Windsor, Ontario, Canada, about what to buy and sell on the local market, like Facebook groups, Kijiji, stuff like that. Today we have medical walkers, folding medical walkers like this. This one is a Guardian. It has the wheels, it adjusts, and it folds, and the handles are good. It's rather clean, so the wheels work too, so I picked it up. It was $8. The wheels will add value to it alone. People want the wheels. I think this one's gonna go for like $20-25. I'd take 15 for it though, you know. It's just gonna go, and you know, that's kind of how I inspect it. And I got this one at a thrift store, but you can get these at, you know, anywhere. Find them in the garbage. I found them in the garbage before, you know, garage sales, estate sales, anything. Someone you know is getting rid of it. You gotta make sure there's no rust on these things though, you know, and just that everything works. Like the wheels, like I said, like it opens and closes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for inspecting it. And you're gonna resell these things not on Facebook because they don't allow them, which is kind of weird. Medical supplies, maybe they'll get away with it with some smooth wording, but their AI has removed all the wheelchairs and anything medically related. Something about probably liability, or I don't know, something like that. So you just sell these on Kijiji, at least I do, and that's fine. That's just where I get rid of all of them at. Yeah, you want to pay anywhere between nothing and $5 or even up to $20 for a real nice one. And by real nice one I mean they'll have like a seat on it, they'll have a basket. I think they're like Nexus brand, it's like specific. Wheels, those will go for 50, 60, 80 bucks. So not these little skinny metal ones though. Maybe a new one you might get 40 bucks. But they're good here. Good reselling thing here. Solid piece. And you just want to get a name brand like a Guardian or a Nexus or I think Medline or Drive. And when I list this thing, I'll take it like that. Maybe a little better lighting, not as confusing of background. And take a picture of it folded up, close up of the name brand, show just that it adjusts, pictures of the wheels, where it folds up. That's about it. Simple pictures. And I don't want to say these will move fast, but they'll move eventually. So there's no expiration date on this. If it's not being used, it'll be good for 20 years unless it rusts up, but it'll move. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, and look out for more videos about what to buy and sell in the local market. Alright, this is Ben. Peace.